Again. So guys, in this video we will see how to do a diff in VS Code, compare file in the Visual Studio Code. So guys, so basically diff means you can compare the file in the Visual Studio Code. So how you can do it? So guys, first of all, like here you see that I'm open my one page, okay, and now if I want to compare it, it's duplicate, so I am just go here. So guys, here you see at the top right corner there is a split button. So when you click on the option of split editor, so guys, it shows your same file here. Now you can compare one by one, okay. When you hover on the file, so only the file move, not both of the files is moving, okay. Now what if you want to change this file, like if you want to open some other file in it, so simply first you once click on here, then guys choose your another file, then right click it, and guys here you see compare with select. So simply click here. So guys, here you see that your file is now changed, okay. Now here you see that we have the another file which is the header, okay. Now you can start comparing again. So this is the simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.